Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to promote your Payhip store or products. First, go to marketing on the upper ribbon. Here, you can see options for you to boost your products. First is coupon. You can add a coupon code and set up a discount that your customers can get. Next is to run sales. You can also set a discount for specific dates. Third one is for affiliates. You just need to copy this link and give it to someone who can promote your product. Of course, you will pay them commissions for each product sale. Next is mailing list. You can set this up so your customers receive product updates via email. Then, for cross-selling, this happens before checkout. When a customer adds a product to their cart, you can encourage them to buy another product at a discounted price. Last is upgrade. This happens after checkout. Once a customer completes their purchase, you can offer them another product at a discounted price, like a special bonus. Furthermore, you can also promote your store by going to Store on the upper ribbon, then go to Domains. Here, you can copy your store link and post it on different social media platforms to promote your store. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.